Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing intro in Filmora9. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to make the intro, first of all we gotta go to sample colors. I'm basically choosing two colors. You can choose as much as you want. I'm gonna choose black and gray and black, which is really good theme for my background. Okay, yeah, now I'm putting the white. Oh wait, I don't want the white, so wait, I'm just gonna delete this and I'm gonna put the gray because we need the gray. It matches with my background. Okay, so let me just put that in. Alright, yeah, let me just make that a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, so we're good with the sample colors. Now let me see this. Yeah guys, now we're gonna go on titles, and you gotta choose title 2 if you want to make an intro. I mean, you can choose any, but I basically use title 2. I've already made my own preset, so I'm just gonna use it. Okay, this is title 2 and I customized it already and saved it, so I'm just gonna use it. Okay, you put it right there, and yeah, so now I just I'll just fit that in. Okay, yeah, we're good. But now guys, before I show you how to make the intro, before the intro, I am gonna be placing the countdown which was in my video, which was the intro of my videos guys. So, and I found it right here. Okay, it's really cool. I'm gonna use that one. I'm just gonna download it. Okay, we're good with that one, and let's just place it right in the beginning. Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, let me just place all my background colors, and then we're good to go. Oh guys, next what we're gonna do is, guys, we are gonna go and edit our titles, but for that you can just see the video. Okay, yeah, I know, it's cool, thanks. Yeah, I pixelated my intro, which I will also show you. I'll also make a video in where I show all the animations which you can use in Filmora9. Okay, but for now, as you can see, I have already made my title. I've already customized it. I used size 72 because that fits inside the box. And yeah, let me just fix that. Okay guys, the shadow is really, you gotta make the shadow perfect, just perfect. So I'm just gonna I only use the shadow because there is the gray background you guys saw back there. It's right there. So when the gray background shows up, you can see the shadow. Okay, my title is just gonna be good to go unless I have to put some of these. No, they don't fit it. No, let me just check if it works with the shadow. So I'm gonna see the video. Okay, it's not good at all guys. No, it's not working with the theme and everything. The shadow is not showing up. So I'm just gonna remove it and place the shadow in place of it, guys. Okay. I am gonna wait a second. Let me just. Okay, the shadow is not showing up. Okay, I see. So I'm just gonna, guys. No, that's not good at all, guys. I'm just gonna finish. I'm not gonna use those colors. So I'm just gonna use the shadow. Okay, but why isn't the shadow working? I mean, it's open. Why is it not working? I'm using these different. Oh wait, even the blur. Oh, it's a distance. Oh yeah, it's like stuck to my layers. The distance, yeah. Guys, you can adjust your distance. That's a really good thing in Filmora9. I mean, you can do everything. Okay, so guys, now I'm just gonna adjust everything in this and make it clear, not make it blur. Yeah, we're just gonna adjust this and we are gonna be good to go. Yeah, Yeah, okay, we're done, guys. We're done with the titles. Looks awesome. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to effects, which is the juicy part, which makes everything look cool, and I'm gonna use chromatic aberration, which you can find in filters distortion. Okay, you go in there, and I choose my way of choosing these effects and intros is I see what people like. I see what people mostly use in intros and I use them. So basically I use the mirror effect, the chromatic aberration effect, and the shake effect. So I'm gonna put the mirror in the gray part, in the gray background. And yeah, let me just trim that thing, and I'm gonna put it right over the mirror. So even when the mirror comes on, there is some glitchy effect on the mirror, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna extend that. Yeah, okay, and I'm just gonna extend it, and let me just use chromatic aberration again. Okay, yeah, we're good to go then. Okay, guys, after this one, let me just extend this a little bit. After this, now I'm going to use another effect, which is a shake. Okay, the shake, it's right there. I'm going to use up down 1 in all of them, but before everything, if you use a shake, you gotta remove the motion blur, and the frequencies should be less, because then it would be chaos. You won't get, I mean, it won't be good. Okay, it won't look good at all. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, now it's better. You can see it's a mirror. Okay, you can see it right there on the screen. Now I'm gonna go and choose these night visions. Yeah, it's not helping at all. No, that's not helping at all. I'm using the yeah, so I'm just gonna use this effect and see if it works out for my intro. If not, we're just gonna delete it and move on, guys. Okay, guys, we got some transitions in here which are really cool. I'm gonna use dissolve. Okay, I'm gonna use the dissolve effect, and I'm gonna use the dissolve effect, the fade effect, and dissolve. Wait, I don't want to put the fade right there, so I'm just gonna plant it right here. And I gotta make them small, guys. I mean, so it just happens about time when it's gonna go on the next slide, guys. Okay, so that's good. I'm just gonna make it smaller. Okay, that's really good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the audio, guys. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go and place the audio. Okay. Wait. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the audio. Wait, this audio is faded. Okay, guys, faded. If you know Alan Walker, I'm using this song. Okay. Okay, guys, the problem with this is that I don't want the purple colors, I mean the blue colors coming on it. Okay, I don't want all of that, guys. And about the faded song, you know, I don't think it fits in it, so I'm gonna go on and choose another song, guys. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna choose another song. Yeah, okay. Even this does not look fade, does not look good at all on this intro. So I'm just gonna remove that, and I'm gonna use Panda Prod. Okay, really cool song. It's right there. Okay, yeah, right there. And let me just cut the parts where there is no voice in it, or it's just fading in. And yeah, okay, that's good. Now I'll just cut the rest of it. That's good to go. And about these look really horrible. I mean, not the shakes, guys. Sorry. I'm not talking about the shakes. I'm talking about the the colors. Okay, the night vision. They are not good because they make the black thing blue, the black background blue, which is not suitable. Guys, I like the music and everything in Panda Prod, but just let me just adjust the fade in and fade out. Okay, let me just cut that little corner off so it adjusts with the intro, and let me just make it fade in, fade out, so when the intro begins it fades in, and when the intro is gonna finish it fades out, you know. Okay, and I'm removing the motion blur, and the frequency should be low, or it can be like low high, you know. Yeah, okay, that's good to go. Okay guys, now let's adjust this. Guys, let me just adjust the frequencies, guys. Okay, that's good to go. Alright, now let me just adjust the song. Okay guys, that was good. Okay, now let me just adjust the pitch. Yeah, let me just go and adjust the audio, guys. So what you do to adjust the audio with these titles, you right click the mouse or whatever you have, okay, and then you go and click on adjust audio. Let me just make it classic. Okay, I don't want it to be I just want it to be classic, and let me just adjust the fade in, fade out. Okay, see the video, fade in, fade out. Yeah, that's good. Much better, that's much better. Yeah, okay guys. Okay guys, that's pretty much okay guys. So let's hope you have a successful intro. So bye.
Yeah.